What up, YouTube? So today it's gonna be, a nice little quick video about the Camaro. I haven't talked about it lately, the issues I've had since I own it, and the issues that's going on now that I'm still trying to fix. So let's turn this on so we got a little bit of light. So yeah, man, if you guys know me, you know I'm Joel, aka Joel. It's my channel, so find me, subscribe, whatever y'all want to do to support, man. I appreciate it. But other than that, man, yeah, today's video, like I said, is all gonna be about the Camaro. Whew, I'm starting off with ABS sensors. Oh my God, them things go bad so fast. And the ones I get are good. They're from AutoZone or Chevy. The ones I have right now, these are the Chevy ones. Now I'm about to go to AutoZone and buy it because they're like $20-something a piece. I think I'll be sometime 30 if you get like the good ones. But as of right now, I'm getting ready to take hopefully one, if not two. So driver rear and then passenger rear side sensors. So yeah, let's do this. So what I'm doing now is finding a good spot where I can lift both sides of the tire so I can get to my sensors. And I want to talk about the two-step. Since I had this car, you guys saw that I bought a brand new MSD two-step. One of the best ones there. It was like $300-something, almost $400, or maybe it was just a dot $300, I forget. But the main issue I've been having with that is when I used to have Cadillac converters, the thing worked. You guys saw it. I did a video. It shot the cats out because as me being new to it, I set it too low for the RPM, so it shot the cats out. Now I don't have cats. So now that I don't have cats, it doesn't work. It's weird. So yeah, I want to know if you guys are having the same issue with your two-step box or your 5th gen Camaro. Because that sucks. Literally, I don't know why I pay so much money for a system that's just gonna break. Take this side off real quick. Cause I haven't talked to you guys about the Camaro and some of the issues that comes with owning it. But it's all about how you maintain it. I change the oil every 3,000 miles like that. Every 3,000 miles I change it. I checked the diff. I got that, I think 2 months ago. They took all the fluids out and put new in. So I try to keep my best. I try to do my best to do all the easy maintaining, or you guys get what I'm trying to say. But if you play hard with the car, these are the issues it comes with. And you guys know I treat this car good, but I also do play hard. And that's what it's for, you know? So, as of right now, your boy is about to check this sensor. Let me just show you guys. So it'll be this one. Actually, no, my bad. That's brake line. It's gonna be this one. Let's see. You guys can see that, right? Right there. That one right there. It should be a size 10. That is your ABS speed sensor. So I'm gonna get that out real quick, clean it. I'm not gonna film it. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the passenger side. So yeah, man, this is the stuff that comes with when you play hard with these cars. Like I was saying, I do maintain it as best as I could, but at the same time, I do play hard. Yesterday, I did a long looking burnout. I got it to like 25 miles an hour and I kept spinning. As soon as I stopped, all the lights came on my dash. It was like a Christmas tree. So here we are. And supposedly the code that brought up when I scanned it said that it could be a misfire inside one of the cylinder, and that's fake. It has to be this because the ABS light came on, and I don't know, because it's the little Star Track Stability, something like that. I don't know how to really pronounce it good in English. But if you guys know what I mean, please let me know. I'm about to switch this sensor, clean it, put it back on. If it doesn't go off, I'm going to have to go get a new one for the second time. So yeah, let's do this. So that's it. I cleaned on both speed sensors. So if the ABS light stays on when I start the car like this, I just go get a new sensor. Usually it's the ones in the rears that do go bad, but it could be the fronts. I raised also the front so I could remove this tire. Then remove the driver's side tire, so I could check both sensors. If the rears, they look stupid good. They look still brand new. So I didn't feel like going to AutoZone and getting rears. That's why the rear tires are back on the vehicle. But if these are looking really bad, I already know it's the front. So yeah. And like I was saying, let me show you guys. This is all I've done to the Camaro since I've had it. Well, I've done a lot more. Obviously, I crashed it and all, but I'm talking about two-step wise. This is the setup I have. Let me get up the lights way. This is it. MSD two-step box. It was like $300 something. I changed the coils, MSD wires. And since I don't have no more, like literally, I am catless. It doesn't work. Well, it works. It cuts the timing and the fuel, so it does get you. It's hard to explain. I'm gonna just put in a video, and I'm gonna explain how I did that also. So here you go. Here's the video, and then let me explain how I did it. Don't worry about my dash and my trash. Ignore that. The car is a little bit dirty. That's what happens when you have kids. It's like, no. But look, you guys watched the video. It worked for a little bit. Then it stopped working for some reason. So what I did was, instead of me taking it down to neutral, like you're supposed to, the RPMs, because it's Chevy, they lock you at 4K. It locks you down. You won't go past that. But I did a little shortcut where I left it where I tricked the system, even though supposedly it's bad for the transmission, even though I don't get it because my foot was on the brake all day, because I looked it up and it said it could be bad for the transmission or not if you do it right. I had my foot all the way down, so the car was not moving. In the second video, yes, the car was moving, and I did it while I had it in drive. So this is the trick. If you don't know it, here you go. I left it in the middle from park to reverse. I left it right in the middle. It's hard. You got to hold the shift knob, or else while you're revving it, it could go to park, and that's good, or it could go to reverse, and that's bad because the car's going to obviously rock back. But if you got your foot on the brake, it should stop it. So to prevent it from going either way, just keep your foot on the brake. And that's what I did. I kept it in the middle from park and reverse. And your boy got it to shoot flames one time. It went all the way. I had it set up at 55. So it went all the way to 55. And it revved, the two-step kicked in. And you saw the pops and flames. The other one I drove, left it still at 55 in first gear. And you saw the flames. But I don't want to keep doing that because that is giving it a bit of, I don't know how to say it, but it is working out the tranny, I believe, or the torque converter. So you will not be seeing me doing that again. But if you guys know a better way to have it work the way I did when I first got the two-step installed, here's my button. I used to do it just in neutral. I used to rev it at 2,500 RPM. And it worked. But now since I don't have cats, it doesn't work. People say it works better without cats, but for me, I'm not having that option. It doesn't work at all. And I've set it at 3,500 before 4K because, like I said, Chevy has it locked at 4K. You have to get that tuned out. But other than that, guys, that's what I was trying to explain to you guys. So let me get these sensors out the way and keep on with the video. There she is, boys. Everything is off. That's what's up, man. That's cool. The front sensors, and I also cleaned the rear sensors. So there she is. That's cool, man. Other than that, your boy is out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.
like fucking gunshots. Shit.
No flames?
A little bit.